of Ada, my husband always blackmail me. Sometimes, if I don't want to travel, the man will tell me that this travel, that if I did not travel, that they are village people, and get waiting, then they do. That if I did not travel with him, that if he buy, or something should happen, or he will be sick, just for me to travel with him. I've been doing this for years, but I am tired. Last year Christmas, my husband said I must follow him home, and I refused to follow him. I said this year I don't want to travel with him. Along the line, I traveled with him. Do you know that up till now, my husband is still in the village and wants me to be there? I've locked my shop, and this man is the type that can never give me any money except feed money, and that food money is little money. The place I make money, the children are supposed to go to school. This man is not interested. When he travel home, he don't like to come back quick. Then leave us to travel, go back, so that he will not allow us to go. Every time I travel, I cry at home. He don't care. And this is the reason why I brought this thing and say, what will I do? Marriage of 15 years. My people, marriage no be chingum. Marriage no be provision. Marriage is not something that you force people into. I think I will like you to send this video to your husband. It should not be forcing you. You know, throughout December, January, February, you are still in the village. And when you come back, the children will not, that time, they will not go to school. The man no kukuma go school. My people, this one tire me, yo. I don't know what you are going to put, but I just say, put your own in the comment section. But my sister, what I want you to say is this: anytime you want to travel, I will not say you should disobey him. 15 years, you have been doing it. You continue. No tire. One day, he go stop him. See, why do I say this? When you want to travel, already plan, buy the children books. When you people are in the village, start teaching them what they will do that second time, because it's second time. Teach them, so that by the time they come back, when they join, they will not be missing things. Then for you, my dear, the ones you are selling, sell, save your money. When you get home, take that time as a time that you used to rest. Now your partner and your love, you don't start a marriage. Please, don't quit your marriage because of this. This one a little issue. Oga want to give her himself holiday. Join him and enjoy yourself. Okay, oro abodin heji enwego.